First, I go in with a blow dry attachment para matanggal yung excess moisture. Somebody wanted to say hi! At dahil short hair na nga ako, I will only section my hair into 2 parts. Next is the brush attachment to smooth everything out. And then my current favorite, the small round volumizing brush. Ang funny kasi, ito talaga yung pinaka hindi ko ginagamit noon nung mahaba pa yung hair ko. Pero ngayon na short hair na ako, ito na yung attachment na lagi kong ginagamit because I love how it naturally curls my hair inward. Ang effortless lang ng result. Tulad niyan. 'Di ba? Now, this isn't a video to convince you to buy a Dyson. But if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. Adulting means intentional with the things you buy. Buying less means buying better. Sometimes, spending more on something you'll use for years is actually the smarter purchase. For me, this era has made styling my hair easier, faster, and has encouraged me to show up looking my best every single day. And for the final touch, I usually finish everything with a few sprays of my favorite dry oil. And voila, good hair day na!